Let's turn our attention now to one of the top lacrosse teams in the state year after year. They are the Lakers of Mountain Lakes, who own 9 state championships under the guidance of longtime head coach Tim Flynn, who admits that lacrosse in Mountain Lakes is a way of life. The Lakers last captured the Tournament of Champions title back in 2008 and won the 2007 TOC with a memorable 13-11 victory over rival Delbarton. Well, the excitement is already building for 2012, and to get the inside scoop on this year's team, we welcome in Mountain Lakes head coach Tim Flynn to our high school hotline. Coach, when we talked at this time last year, I was up there with you. The ground was frozen over, and you had to practice in a parking lot. I bet it's a lot better this year.
Yeah, it is a lot better. You know, we've been able to get out on the field, play full field almost every day, so it's quite a difference, although I kind of prefer picking the team on the parking lot. You figure out which kids right away who want to play and want to go after the ball and each other. So, you give one and you get one back.
Fair enough, Coach. Now let's talk about your team this year. Every year, the expectations are extremely high. You and your players expect a lot, and the community expects a lot. Talk about what's coming up for this year.
Well, we have a really dedicated group this year. Led by a very nice group of seniors, kids that have, dedicated themselves to being the best, working very hard together and being the best team that they can be. So, the weather's been great and the attitude on the group has been great. So, we're just about ready to go. We have the Daniel Hand Jamboree tomorrow. We're going to play West Genesee, Canandaigua, and Northport from New York. And then we're going to have one more scrimmage next Wednesday and then open up next Saturday against Ramapo.
Now, last season, your team finished 14-7, lost to Glen Ridge in the Group 1 finals, but you had a number of players who gained valuable experience last year. Talk about one of them, Dylan Moody. What do you expect from him this year?
Well, Dylan's really doing a great job as a two-way midfielder for us right now. He's hustling on everything, making plays, through just all out, going hard on things, and he's developed a nice offensive arsenal, and also is a tremendous leader for us.
Now, we'll also keep an eye on senior attackman Robert Orazzetti. He's already committed to UMass. What about his play, Coach?
Well, Robert's, been a 3-year starter for us. He has a lot of, smarts on the field, real nice dodging ability, very good finisher. Kind of this year has been all over the field, riding, causing turnovers, making a lot of different plays, again, through hustling, which is great to see.
Well, Coach, you've won an amazing 9 state championships at Mountain Lakes during your wonderful 33-year career. What's been the key, in your mind, to the program's success over the years?
We're very, very demanding on our kids. The kids play together from second grade on. We're very dedicated to making sure our junior program is as strong as it can be. We have great coaches down there, great administrators down there, and we do a lot between our high school program and the junior league to make sure that, like I said, we run clinics for them. We have an all-together practice, and I think that's the key. As I said, we're very demanding, but the people in town are great. The support is awesome, and it's a very strong family atmosphere.
Have you talked to your team about goals for this season? Do you set them early? Are they the same set of goals each year, Coach?
Usually they are. It's work hard, work as hard as you can at anything you've ever worked at in your life. Have fun, become a team, and get better every day.
Now, outside of Mountain Lakes, you were also an assistant coach for the United States gold medal team in 2008. Now you're the head coach this year. You're going to Finland. What is that experience like?
Well, in the off season, since we picked the team last July, we've gotten to know the guys on the team quite well. We had a training weekend down in November down in Dallas. We had the kids in North Jersey early January, but everyone is playing on their teams. They're either playing for a college team. We have about 5 kids that are still in high school. So, we're just kind of communicating, emailing, texting back and forth. I'm kind of trying to, pay attention to how the kids are doing in their games, and we're kind of mentally preparing ourselves for July, getting together, in June, and then July in Finland.
He is New Jersey's all-time winningest lacrosse coach. 537 victories going into the season to go along with those 9 state championships. Coach Flynn, always a pleasure to talk with you here on MSG Varsity. Thanks for joining us. Good luck this season.
Thank you. I appreciate the time. Thank you very much.